Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, and you have no math today. April Fools, you have math. Ha! It's solving for one variable. So today you are going to learn how to solve for a single variable or a single letter in a math problem. This video is a quick introduction to today's topic. So as a real-world example, some of you may know that before I was a teacher, I used to work as a waitress. And as a waitress, you earn money per hour, and then on top of your hourly wage, you also earn tips. So, for example, a lot of the times I would work weekends, I would also work weekdays, a lot of the times I work dinners, sometimes I work lunch. So say that I would make $10 an hour, and most days I would probably work about 5 hours, 5 or 6 hours. So if I'm working 5 hours and I'm earning $10 per hour, that means that in those 5 hours I would earn $10 in the first hour, $10 in the second hour, $10 in the third hour, $10 in the fourth hour, and $10 in the fifth hour. That makes $50. So every time I went into work and I worked for 5 hours, I would always make $50. Now, my tips would vary depending on the day. If I worked a really busy night, a lot of the times holidays were very busy. So if I worked on Valentine's Day, I might make a lot more money in tips than if I worked during Wednesday afternoon. Okay? So my tips, which I'm going to use the letter T to represent my tips, would change. So I would earn $50 plus whatever my tips were for the day. Now, T is an unknown, and like I said, T can change. My tips can change. So if I earned, still making that $50 because I'm working for 5 hours, but if I worked on Valentine's and I earned $200 in tips, my T for Valentine's Day would equal 200. So in order to figure out what I earned on Valentine's Day, I would have to do 50 plus 200. So on Valentine's Day, I would have earned $250. Now, if I was working a random Wednesday afternoon for lunch, let's say, I worked 5 hours on a Wednesday afternoon. It's not very busy on Wednesday afternoons. So maybe on that Wednesday afternoon, I only earned $50 in tips. So my tips for that Wednesday afternoon were only $50. So on that Wednesday, I earned my $50 that always stays the same, my hourly wage, plus my tips. So that Wednesday, I might have only earned $100. This is an introduction to today's lesson to show you how the variable can change and how to solve a problem when the variable has different values.